Let's talk about the top 3 reasons that make the VA loan so great. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Faul, and I'm a real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. So if you want to stay up to date on all things real estate, specifically related to Arizona, but things that you can also utilize no matter where you're located, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, the number one reason that the VA loan is so awesome is you don't have to have a down payment. That's right, you could buy a $500,000 house with no down. Now that's pretty awesome. There is no other loan programs that allow you to do that. Most of them require anywhere from 3 to 5% down payment. Now you will still have your standard closing cost, which pays the lender and your standard title fees. However, you won't have an additional down payment on top of those closing costs. And if you're able to negotiate the seller to cover your closing cost, then you truly can move into your house with no money out of pocket, no down payment, no closing cost. And that is the number one reason that makes the VA loan so great. The second reason the VA loan is so awesome is there is no private mortgage insurance, or PMI. So the way that most other loan types work is if you're not putting 20% down or more, you're gonna have an extra cost each month that's factored into your mortgage. Could be anywhere from $50 to $100, it just depends, on top of your mortgage that's paid in there. The VA does not have that. This is awesome, so it's gonna keep your payment low. I will say you do have what the VA calls a funding fee. Now, this is the VA's way of getting some sort of insurance. However, it is collected either at closing, or they can just factor it into your loan typically, so you're not having to worry about paying that extra large amount when it comes to your monthly mortgage. Also, with the funding fee, if you have any service-connected disability, then the VA funding fee is totally waived and there's no extra cost to obtaining the VA loan. And the third reason that makes the VA loan so awesome is that there are some flexible lending guidelines. What I mean by that is the other loan programs out there are pretty strict when it comes to qualifying a buyer. And maybe you have a unique situation and the VA allows for some flexibility when it comes to getting you qualified. An example is maybe you only qualified to buy this home contingent on you paying off your car loan. There's actually a way you can get a credit from a seller, say $10,000 on the contract, and if you're able to use that credit and pay your car off at closing, then that allows you to qualify. Then that is something that the VA does allow. So in its own way, you're allowed to have the seller pay off some of your debt at closing in order for you to qualify, and we don't see that on other loans, and that's the third reason that makes the VA loan so awesome. Well, there you have it. Those are my top 3 reasons that make the VA loan so awesome. And if you have any questions about the VA loan, please feel free to reach out to me. Like I said, I'm a Marine veteran myself. I've used this loan a couple times. I have a great lender in Arizona that can help you with your VA loan as well. So thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.